Good evening, sir. Welcome to Fifth Electronic Supply Chain Summit. So, when you speak of supply chain, now you are handling a CCTV camera completely manufactured in India. So, when you speak of surveillance cameras, how much it's still we are as an electronics item? How much still? What is the percentage we are manufacturing in India? And in the coming few years, what is the percentage you are expecting that can be manufactured in India?
See, if I just take right from the beginning, the theme of the conference, today's conference, that assembly to manufacturing, though it was a tough job, but yes, we as a flag bearer took it on. And in 2017, when we put up the factory here, the only thing what we were facing at that point of time was the components were not available in India. Then there are certain components which we asked for the Indian companies to manufacture, and they started doing that. And we basically started somehow increasing the Indian content into the products. So now our products uh, on a hardware side is about between 20 to 25% indigenized. And then in 2023, when we enhanced our factory and we put up the world third largest factory, then India's largest factory at Kadapa, at that point of time, we further explored that how much components we can indigenize. Now we can proudly say that we are increasing it day by day, say 5%, 10% every year. And in about 2 to 3 years, we ourselves are planning to manufacture lens in India. We ourselves are trying to manufacture complete housing in India. We ourselves have partnered with L&T for even making the chip in India. So the future is that we can reach up to 70, 80, 90%. And if all those components are available in India, we can even give 100% indigenized camera to the industry.
So since now with this ECMS theme, that is optimistic side. So with all that, now you can manufacture since the components will all be manufactured in India. So in that case, what is the growth of overall electronics? You are expecting?
Yeah, as I said inside also, the scheme is encouraging for the manufacturer, the component manufacturers, that yes, they will come out with more investment into the component manufacturing, taking those facilities and all. Then it would be encouraging for us that we would be able to increase the Indian content into our product. And the further third encouragement is that we ourselves will plan that we would manufacture certain component so that we can take that price benefits onto our product. So we will manufacture component for our use only, not for selling others, but for our use we can do that, which would give us the price advantage and the competitiveness into the product.
So all your products are currently manufactured in India.
Yes, we are.
How many manufacturing plants do you currently have?
We have got the world third largest and India's largest, as I mentioned, with the capacity above 20 lakh cameras per month. That is in Kadapa. So we have got earlier we got about 850 models. Now we are reducing and making it about 250 models, which would all be manufactured in India. Number two, the software part. We've got R&D center in Noida and at factory, and we have got even the design partners with us like PVD and Dixon, uh, L&T, even CDEC, Mighty. So we are taking those designs and R&D facility, R&D services from there also, and our in-house R&D for about 250 plus engineers who are working day and night to basically give the most innovative product line in the future, and that would be indigenous completely.
Thank you so much.